Life knocks all of us down, but not everyone gets back up. You may feel broken, behind, lost, or even ashamed. But here's the truth. The greatest comebacks always begin with the biggest setbacks. This is not the end of your story. This is the plot twist. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the greatest comeback of your life step by step. The first step isn't about fixing anything. It's about accepting what happened, the failure, the loss, the pain, the mistakes. Why is this important? Because you can't rebuild what you pretend isn't broken. Stop running from your pain. Sit with it. Learn from it. Own it. Say it out loud if you have to. I failed. I messed up. I lost my way. But I will not stay down. Acceptance is power. It's the beginning of healing. Most people stay stuck because of guilt, shame, or regret. If you're blaming yourself for what went wrong, understand this. You did the best you could with what you knew at the time. Now, you know better, so you can do better. Forgive yourself not because you deserve to forget, but because you deserve to move forward. You are not your past. You are not your pain. But if you keep replaying it, you're reinforcing it. Start asking better questions. What did this teach me? Who can I become because of this? How can I use this as fuel? You don't have to wait for a new year, new job, or new relationship. You can decide today that this is your comeback chapter. A comeback doesn't happen overnight. It happens in your habits. Start small. Wake up earlier. Read 10 pages a day. Walk 15 minutes. Track your habits, not just your goals. Stack wins. Consistency builds confidence. Every little promise you keep to yourself rebuilds your self-respect. Forget the big leap. Focus on small steps. Great comebacks are built on pain, but they don't stay there. Let that heartbreak, failure, or loss fuel your fire. Channel it into something powerful. Start that business. Hit the gym. Write that book. Build that dream. Let your pain push you until your vision pulls you. You need people who speak life into you, not doubt. Cut off toxic influences. Block the noise. You don't need 100 supporters, just a few who believe in your comeback. If no one believes in you right now, let me say it clearly. I believe in your comeback. And eventually, you will believe it too. Stop replaying what you lost. Start visualizing what you're about to gain. Close your eyes and picture your highest version. How does that person walk, talk, think, act? You can't rewrite the past, but you can build a future so bright it drowns out the darkness behind you. Your comeback won't be perfect. You'll have bad days, you'll feel stuck, but that's okay. Just don't quit. Comebacks are built one day at a time, especially on the days you feel like giving up. Success is not about never falling. It's about rising one more time than you fall. This is your sign. Your rock bottom is your launching pad. Your pain is your preparation. Your setback is your setup. So rise up. Make the comeback. Not for others, not to prove them wrong, but to prove to yourself that you were always meant for more.